My name is Amanda Wiedekemper. I'm the Senior Manager of Engineering and Project Control at Bi-State Development Agency. Bi-State Development Agency is over Missouri and Illinois, and Metro Transit is the largest arm of that, which is responsible for the light rail system, the buses, and the paratransit service in the St. Louis metro area. What Procore means to me is that I have a system that is configurable to our needs, it's dynamic, it's easy to learn, and it's been wonderful to increase our transparency and effectiveness in our organization by centralizing all of it on a web-based platform. Procore's allowed us to increase transparency between departments and improve our communications. We've been able to interface more easily with consultants and contractors and our internal stakeholders and reviewers. I think that having construction-focused individuals backing this software has helped immensely with the intuition of the system. It really helps to have some perspective on what the contractors and consultants are going to be using. So since the tools are built intuitively to their world, it's made it a lot easier for our contractors and consultants to pick it up. It's helped us break down silos and increase communication. Procore's allowed us to take some of that complicated correspondence out of our emails and put them into Procore tools. So they're accessible if somebody leaves, they're accessible if somebody's going to be working remotely, if they're going to be gone for a little while, you can delegate and you can collect all of that information in one place. Procore has been instrumental in keeping us in compliance. We collaborate a lot, configuring our tools with safety and with our internal audit teams. So previously our project records were kind of decentralized. And so now we have an opportunity for their audits and their oversight to structure our records in a way that's retrievable and accessible for them. Right now, my favorite Procore tool is Action Plans. And Action Plans is wildly configurable and integrated, and it allows us to create a framework based on very complex processes that we've been doing and getting lost in emails. So it's really been helpful to tie something like inside of your action plan to tie in something like your references, such as your specifications, and then to get the sign-off that you need. So instead of putting it in a workflow with a time-driven interface like submittals, I can put it in action plans, and then the appropriate oversight can be given without holding up our work processes. I think the greatest ROI that we've had is our adoption and the ability to take those different configurable tools and then they see it working and then they want to do everything in Procore.